Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision IGCSE. Today we have with us Ritul, who has completed Cambridge A level. He got A star in both further mathematics as well as computer science, and he got the admission in Singapore University of Technology and Design. So today we will understand his journey, his challenges through this short conversation. So Ritul, can you introduce yourself a little bit?
Hello, I'm Rithul Rajkumar. I've recently completed my Cambridge A level, including further mathematics and computer science, alongside physics, normal mathematics, and chemistry. I'm really happy with my results, achieving A star in further mathematics. Now I'll be continuing my studies at SUTD in Singapore, like Sir said.
Yes, exactly. In A level, why you particularly chose the further mathematics as a subject? Any reason behind it?
Normally itself, even during IGCSE and AS level, I really enjoyed the subject. When I learned about integration and differentiation, I really enjoy them a lot.
Right.
So in my 12th grade, I was thinking, okay, is there anything I can challenge myself with? So my dad found out about further mathematics, and I decided to enroll in it.
Yeah.
And one more reason is that I felt like it would improve my profile in colleges. Some colleges in UK required further mathematics to be admitted, and for Singapore colleges also, I thought it would boost my profile.
Exactly. In continuation with some of the challenges, some of the means the study process of or in the further mathematics he has gone through. So how you prepared yourself for further mathematics?
My process was that first, after attending the class, when I'm studying, I would read the textbook again to strengthen my understanding, make sure I understand it.
Right.
And in the textbook and in the website, there'd be worked examples.
Yes.
So it would be like, now I understand it, I'll just see how they are solving it.
Right.
And then I wouldn't do past paper questions yet. I would just try textbook exercises or exercises on the website to make sure I know how to solve them, and only then I would move on to past papers.
Exactly. I actually remember that if you teach just once in the lesson, Ritul understands the very well concepts. He used to apply very well them as well. Okay, so next point is actually how important were the past papers to just solve the challenging questions?
Past papers were extremely important. I would say even the most important, because rather than knowing how to solve the question, you learn that and you understand how Cambridge expects the answer from you. Right. So I could have the method right and get the answer right, but lose out marks because of details, especially in statistics, writing conclusions.
Exactly.
So, and some rare questions could also expose which parts I had missed studying before in textbook.
Exactly.
So it was.
Yeah. So it's basically help you to solve the challenging questions and all, right? Yeah. Then you must have observed that the for a further mathematics the base is actually the normal math as well. Do you think, sir, that some of the topics are correlated with the further mathematics?
Yes, sir, definitely. So when I started further mathematics, I actually hadn't done the advanced integration in normal mathematics. Right. So I had struggled a lot. I didn't know what to do. But once I understood that, only then I could progress fast. So I would say definitely not even foundations, complementing. Yeah,
exactly. Yeah. So it's base for the building base for the further mathematics, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Exactly. Then next question is that I hope I also must have added something inputs and all in the during your study process, right?
Yes.
So can you just tell us about that as well?
Sometimes when we are doing a difficult concept, I would maybe use the wrong method. So sir would ask me to send my working, and he would analyze my working step by step, so we can find out the exact part my method went wrong.
Right.
And one more thing was that if I get a question right, he'll still ask for the working. So I would be conscious then itself. Okay, I have to make my answer presentable. I'll do it like how I do an exam. So these habits help me get ready for the exam.
Exactly. Yeah, that's absolutely true. Fine. So the generally shifting from the IGCSE to normal math to further math, we or student required to write the lot, fine, step by step. In generally IGCSE, what happens? The student just even they can do some of the steps mentally, but in the further math they have to write a lot, check their steps. Those are necessary process. And Ritul has gone through it as well, and that's a great thing. So so in building this whole process, okay, so if means you have gone through all the concepts of further pure 1, further pure 2, statistic, mechanics, fine. So the your confidence every other time boosted, or how it helped you actually in the whole preparation process?
Initially, when starting, even though everything was new, my confidence was actually slightly high because the first few chapters were kind of easy.
Right.
But then I got to the difficult chapters, and by the time I started further mathematics, I hadn't covered much in normal mathematics as well.
Right.
So I was kind of lost, and that's where my confidence dipped. At the same time, I was learning mechanics as well.
Right.
So there was a gap in physics. But
yes.
After revising a lot, when the exam time came near, I had revised a lot and my confidence had gone up again.
Exactly. That's good. All right. Then in preparation process, we have shared Vision IGCSE, the resources, notes, worksheets and all. How it helped you actually in the preparation process?
When I'm understanding a new concept, the way you would explain it,
yes.
sometimes it'll work perfectly for me.
Right.
But after a few hours after finishing school, I would forget that way.
Yeah.
If I go onto your website, you would have explained it the same way. So I would be able to recollect really well rather than other resources.
Exactly.
And one more thing was that you would have topical resources present.
Yes.
So if I need to learn a particular topic, I don't need to search the whole textbook or search on whole websites. I can just go to your website, follow the links,
right.
and I'd be at the topic immediately.
Yeah, that's great actually. How you recommend this Vision IGCSE resources to other the students that are actually studying for further math?
Yes, I would highly recommend, because rather than you searching for resources, searching for solved papers at different websites,
right.
we have everything in the same website and everything is already done for you. What you have to do is just learn. So I would definitely recommend.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. All right. So yeah, next one is actually Ritul got the admission in Singapore University of Technology and Design, and congrats about that as well. Okay. So how it, or what attracted you to this SUTD?
The main aspect was that they have a very small class size.
Yes.
And it's similar to my school, because even in my school, there were relatively few students.
Right.
As a result of this, we were all very close-knit together.
Yeah.
And even in group projects, whatever grouping, we would be comfortable with each other.
Right.
And I look forward to the same experience in SUTD.
Right.
And so far, what I've learned is mostly theory. Now only I'm getting into hands-on, such as computer-aided design, 3D printing. And they highly encourage this. So I'm looking forward to grow in that area as well.
Exactly. So how will this further mathematics help you at the SUTD?
I believe that this subject has taught me to approach problems through understanding and analysis rather than memorization.
Right.
And this kind of style, I think it helps me learn new things very easily rather than trying to memorize them, because I will forget. And it technically itself, it has set a strong foundation for mathematics, especially calculus and algebra.
Right.
And even physics, I would say, because mechanics is there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's that builds the strong base for the SUTD courses and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I wish you the best for your future as well. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it. We'll stop here. Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.